Alright everybody, so I know I hadn't posted a video in a while, but kind of had some things going on, especially with that truck right there. Finally got it done. I ended up having to pretty much tear down the engine and completely rebuild it, as you can tell by my scrap pile. Anyway, so here's what I am in the works of doing. So I had a guy, I helped him out a little while back, and he ended up swapping his pump out, and his truck is running. So I think he went with the CPX, if I remember correctly. So I bought his core from him, so I have it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this old block, and I am actually going to build a test bench per se. So I'm still debating if I want to just use this block or if I want to actually make a plate and just a like table type setup. Still trying to work out how I want to do that. I feel like I want to use the block, that way I have everything right there, but at the same time I want to use a test table because the way I want to drive the CP pump, I want to use the original cam gear and have that affixed to a AC motor. That's how I want to do it. But like I said, still trying to work out those minor details. So over here, I know this looks like a mess, but it is what it is. But anyway, so this is the camshaft I had to block. Well, actually I had a my old block. That scrap pile is actually stuff off my old engine. I took the good stuff off of that one and put on mine. But either way. So I'm going to take the cam gear off of this one, and I thought about using like a starter motor type situation, but that's going to be a pain in the butt. So I'm just going to get a low speed, high torque electric motor and use that to turn my pumps with. So utilizing the factory gear on the pump and pretty much just ramping it up. But I'm going to have to do some things with this, the returns and all this. Going to have, obviously your supply in and your return. And your pressure's out into, I'm going to use the passenger side rails. I'm going to have some caps. I know the threads to these, so I'm just going to buy some steel caps and pretty much tighten those down there. And I'm going to have a fitting here with a extremely high pressure gauge on it, mechanical gauge, and prime the system and just have it spin the pump pretty much deadhead and see if it builds pressure. And that's pretty much it. I'm also thinking about too making a condensed down version of that where I can sell to consumers and have them test their own.